have a vlog. I'm going to be doing some DIY, and I am changing the color of the frame of the mirror that's going in our hallway. Currently it's gold. I'm changing it to black, so I'm heading out to B&Q. I'm getting some stuff for it. I'm going to get some sandpaper and primer and some paint, and I'll take you guys with me. Let's get my mask. What? The toothpaste? I'm so tired.
It's currently 1:56 in the afternoon.
And this girl has toothpaste. So these are the things that I got from B&Q. I got sanding paper. I didn't know which one, well, which grit to get, so I got one that has like all of the grits. And then I got the paint and primer and tape and this sheet to put on the ground before put the mirror on. I'm not going to be doing it indoors. I'm going to be doing it outdoors, and hopefully it doesn't rain, because it was raining like half an hour ago, so hopefully it doesn't rain. This is after one coat of primer. I'm going to put another one on top after 10 minutes. I'm just going to let this dry for a bit.
Corn-fed chicken sound like to you?
That's what I was looking at.
Free range chicken to
Which one? It is, I think it is.
Very complicated though.
Hi guys. Hi guys. So, we're at Manuela's birthday dinner. Say hi to the birthday girl. It's my birthday.
Andrea, put it on me.
Are you going to say anything?
Yeah, I am. Hey guys, how are you? My name is Andrea. Subscribe to my channel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay guys, we have another DIY project. This is my wardrobe. This is one. This is the second one. Ah, my toes. The second one is slightly bigger. Yeah, so I just built the frame. I drilled in the holes for the handle. Look how cute these drawers. So adorable. Okay, so we're about halfway through. I'm just a bit annoyed that the space behind, like where the wardrobes meet, I won't really be able to use that bit because I didn't get a corner wardrobe, because I didn't think I'll be putting it in a corner. You know what I mean? So that little section's a bit wasted, but I'm halfway through. I put a door on. Just one door. Yeah. So we have the doors and the handles on. This door right here is a mirrored door, but it was sold out online, so I just need to see if they have it in stock. So this will be empty for a while, and now I'm gonna start doing the drawers. Hello guys. I'm back with Jade. Sorry.
You almost fell.
I'm back with Jade.
Hi guys, I'm energetic today. We're taking picture content day as her photographer. Hire me guys, you know those pictures that you see.
Yeah.
They ain't cheap.
The best photographer ever.
Period. Oh, period. Let's go.
Okay. I don't even confuse this stuff. If you can't.
I'll put it back. Can you see it? Can you see?
I don't. It's doing something. Oh no, you can only see my feet.
Oh wait. You put it
What? We'll leave it.
Ooh.
today is a content day, so I'm just taking a couple pictures for Instagram. I've got a couple outfits. There's a teddy coat in the back. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Harriet. I'm outside her house, and then we're gonna pick up Naomi. Then we're gonna go to the location to shoot. Yeah, we didn't start this day off early. It's 2. We planned to meet up, I would say, like at 1. I don't know why I'm shouting. 1, 11, 12:30. We were on the phone for ages, and then like getting ready just took longer than it should. Hopefully the sun doesn't set too early. Hi, friend.
Oh my god, it's
Harriet.
lockdown. Oh my god. Hi, Andrew.
It's been so long.
It's actually been ages.
Sorry, my mum was sitting there, so that's why it's so forward.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it is recording.
Oh shit. Hi guys. I used to pass by the main road next to the bank. I guess I think from the phone shop. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Okay, there. Okay.
Oh my god. It might smell a bit cheesy in here because I was eating sour cream and onion Pringles.
Why?
They taste so nice. So I need to get gum. Sorry.
You used to get more than gum.
Mouth washing it. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. This curly hair makes my head look big.
I get what you mean.
You get curly hair in it.
Yeah.
My head looks bigger than it is. Even though it's already big, yeah.
Oh, but it's nice though.
You like it? Oh my god.
I see that.
Christmas decorations already. Because the tree that we had, we had to throw it away. Everybody was taller than the tree.
Yeah. I threw it away. Why is the tree at my chest?
No, as in everyone's taller than the tree.
It's very childish.
There's no point because the tree. Don't leave no pieces.
Why would I don't understand this.
So you didn't see you coming?
Stupid idiot!
I'm surprised. Let me not jinx it.
What?
I was gonna say there's not much traffic, is there? But then everyone's outside now, so.
Yeah, no, but look to my right.
Oh,
There's a lot of cars.
See, I jinxed it.
There was a bit of traffic when I was coming.
With the back way.
No, from like my end.
I swear.
Yeah. Not traffic, but just a lot more cars on the road than
Damn.
usual. Yeah.
Because outside.
Vibes.
Oh yeah, you haven't seen Naomi yet, guys.
Hi. Are you zooming it in?
No. I'm trying to zoom it in a second.
Hi. I think this is fine.
Yours.
Wait, you ate though.
It's not my.
That was a star.
It's not my. Oh my gosh, is it filming?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Naomi ate, but her stomach
It's
is
not
still
my fault. Is it my fault? It's not my fault now.
I can't believe you.
It's my Nando's order. Oh.
No. We're at Nando's. You know what? Today has been a very long day and I'm tired.